Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star in keyboard. You can see the notation of this song on the screen. If you follow this notation, you can play the song easily. But before that, let us recall the position of different notes. There are 7 natural notes in music and the notes are named after the alphabets. Those are A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Let us find these notes on keyboard. The note C is just before the pair of two black keys. Let's write C on the key using whiteboard marker. But remember, do not use permanent marker. You can also use small sticky notes so that you can remove it easily. Now, what is the letter that comes after C? Yes, it is D. So, write D on the next white key. Now, what is the next letter that comes after D? It is E. Write it on the next white key. In the same way, write the other letters on the white keys like F after E. Next is G. And just remember, after G, you have to write A. Because we only use letter A to G in music. And after A, obviously, it will be B. Okay, now we are ready. Let's follow the notation and play the song. Read the notation of first line. C, C, G, G, A, G. Now play the notes. C, C, G, G, A, G. Play it one more time. C, C, G, G, A, G. Now the next line. F, D, C. Play the notes. F, D, C. One more time. F, D, C. Now play both the lines together. C, C, G, G, A, G. F, D, C. One more time. C, C, G, G, A, G. F, D, C. Now, let's try to memorize the position of notes. First, remove the note B because we are not using B note in this song. Next, remove the C because we already know that the C note is just before two black keys. Now, play the first four notes. C, C, G, G. Play few more times and memorize the position of G. When it is done, remove the G. Let's play the whole song like this and remove the notes one by one. In the end, you will be able to play without writing the notes on the keyboard. C, C, G, G, A, G. C, C, G, G, A, G. Now remove A. Again, C, C, G, G, A, G. Next line, F, E, D, C. Again, F, E, D, C. Now try to remember the position of F, E and D, and then you remove them. This is very important to memorize the position of notes. Now try to play the third and fourth line by yourself. Enjoy playing, and once again, if you don't have keyboard at home, you can use these apps in your mobile or tab to learn and play the song. Thank you.